Good evening po. Hello! Thank you po for attending our premiere screening. At nagpapasalamat po ako to my Oppo family for supporting our movie. Ito po, hawak ko po ngayon yung Sarah Geronimo Limited Edition. Available na po siya. For more details, check out their page, Oppo page. Salamat po for coming. Hope you enjoy the movie.
Alright, Miss Sarah, just a few questions po before we start. Now, how does it feel to you wearing a wedding gown sa gitna ng BGC? Mas madali ba siya kaysa sa acting?
Oh, wow! Medyo struggle, ano? Medyo kasi mabigat, tapos may petticoat, tapos medyo mainit din, pero carry lang.
Okay, carry mo yan, syempre. And of course, how does it feel to have your own smartphone na may signature pa ni Miss Sarah Geronimo?
Ulat nga ako, sobrang honored. Maraming salamat po ito, oh. Pag-open ko nga yung wallpaper sa agad yung photo ko. So, nakakatunaw. Thank you very much po.
Alright, and the first question for Direct Theodore, now if there's one message that you would like our fans to get from this movie, ano po yun?
Ayun, sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, sa lahat ng mga fans ni Sarah, please po, ibigin na natin ito sa kanyang birthday gift natin kay Sarah tomorrow! We finally found someone. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Sarah! Happy
birthday! And of course, we do have something for Miss Sarah Geronimo here. Tomorrow is her birthday, syempre! Kantahan naman natin ng happy birthday si Miss Sarah Geronimo.